Choose a water polo suit. Choosing a water polo suit requires several factors to be considered: color, brand, style/design, material, and price. This article will discuss these factors, in order to help you know how to make the best choice. Starting off, it is best to prioritize the above variables. For example, if price is most important, begin there. A suit that is not within your price range will help to make your decision easier. First, water polo suits are made in a variety of colors. They are sold in both prints and solids. You may choose a suit that is already in stock, or some stores allow you to custom pick your favorite color and /or print. In addition, suits are also able to be ordered with team logos. Second, water polo suits are made by many different brands. These brands may have similarities. However, some brands may offer products which are exclusive to that brand. It is wise to research each brand to be aware of everything on the market. Third, water polo suits are made with many different types of material. Many people believe that materials directly influence functionality. It is important to decide your goals when evaluating suit material. Goals may include speed, comfort, and preventing your suit from being yanked during competition. In contrast to a speed racer, who may be looking for a suit that is the least water resistant, a water polo player may be looking for a suit that will be the most durable, able to withstand frequent trainings, and competitive play. Many water polo suits on the market are designed with materials to help facilitate top performance, such as chlorine-resistant polyester, allowing for frequent trainings. Also, different brands have materials specifically designed to reduce suit grabbing and yanking during competition. Fourth, as with other swimsuits, water polo suits are offered in a variety of styles and designs. As with the above factors, the cut of the swimsuit may be a matter of preference and sense of style. However, cut may also influence functionality. This is partly due to the fact that often, a swimsuit's design cut encompasses the materials from which it is made. Finally, water polo suits have a price tag. As a general rule, women's water polo suits are more expensive than men's. Also, as to be expected, better quality suits will be priced higher. If cost is an issue, it may be beneficial to seek out less well-known brands, with less exclusively made suits.